Hello everyone, welcome to Everest Online Academy. यो भिडियोमा हामी क्लास 10 को मोडल क्वेशन को सोल्युसन गर्दैछौं। हामी सेट 3 मा छौं है। सो यो भिडियोमा सेट 3 को ग्रामर को क्वेशनहरु we will solve it. Okay. So number A, number first, people never go to that park भनेर छ। सो मान्छेहरु कहिले त्यो पार्कमा जाँदैनन्, जान्छन् र भनेर भन्नु पर्यो, राइट? सो यहाँ हेर्नुस् never भनेर छ। So what is this? This is negative statement. Negative statement को के हुन्छ? Positive tag हुन्छ. That's why के चाहिँ भयो त? People never go to that park. Do they? Do they? भनेर भयो. Small children like the cartoon very much into negative. साना बच्चाहरुलाई त्यो कार्टुन धेरै मन पर्छ। पर साना बच्चाहरुलाई मन पर्दैन भनेर भन्नु पर्यो, है? So small children about don't like, small children don't like the cartoon very much. एकदमै सजिलो छ, very much भनेर भयो. Small children don't like the cartoon very much. Okay, next. Paul earns rupees 5500 per month भनेर भयो. अब हामीले how much क्वेशन मा चेन्ज गर्नु पर्यो. Paul ले कति अर्न गर्छ भनेर. So answer 5500 हो. That's why 5500 हामीले क्वेशन मा भन्दैनौ. यो कुनमा छ? verb 5 मा छ. That's why does भनेर आउँछ. So how much does Paul earn per month? है, यहाँ मैले does लेखेँ, verb मा verb 1 लेखेँ, earn लेखेँ. All right. Next, by the end of June next year, our ACE exam भनेर भनेको छ, completed, finished भनेर भनौं न, है. So by the end of June next year, we will have completed our ACE exam भनेर भयो. Next one, what were you doing yesterday morning? Sital said to Richa. अब Sital asked Richa भनेर भन्न सकियो. Sita asked Richa what okay. So what you छ, you भनेको Richa, what she. अब यहाँ कुन टेन्स मा छ त? पास्ट कन्टिन्युअस मा छ. पास्ट कन्टिन्युअस केमा चेन्ज हुन्छ? पास्ट पर्फेक्ट कन्टिन्युअस मा चेन्ज हुन्छ. What she had been doing yesterday भनेर छ. yesterday को the previous day, the day before भनेर भन्न सक्नुहुन्छ. What she had been doing the previous morning भनेर भन्न सक्नु पर्यो. अब previous day morning भनेर भनिराख्नु परेन. So what she had been doing the previous morning. All right. Next, his office has granted him a handsome salary. अब handsome भनेको त्यो मान्छे handsome भनेको जस्तो salary भनेको होइन कि, it's very good amount of salary भनेर भनेको, है. अब passive मा लाग्नु पर्यो. मैले him लाई अगाडि लिएर आएँ. He has been granted a handsome salary by whom? By his office. He has been granted a handsome salary by his office. अब तपाईले a handsome salary लाई अगाडि लिएर आउँछु है भन्दा पनि हुन्छ, है. So a handsome salary has been granted to him by his office भन्न पनि सकिन्छ. both are correct, है त. So यसरी हामीले यो सेट 3 कम्प्लिट गर्यौं. अब अरु सेट पनि हामीले सबै सेटहरु कम्प्लिट गरेका छौं. पास्ट क्वेशन कम्प्लिट गरेका छौं. हजुरहरुले सबै भिडियो यो सिरिज हेरेर यति जान्नु भयो भने this is more than enough for your ACE examination, है त. Okay guys, thank you so much. And हाम्रो नम्बर छ डिस्क्रिप्सन मा, you can call or WhatsApp us. Okay, thank you so much and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.